Good morning, Savannah Oaks. Today is Thursday, May 7th. It's an A-Day. Congratulations to our Achieve 3000 winners. They are Emilia S. M. and Zoe Z. Great job. Think about it Thursday. Take a look at the picture on the left. Can you guess who is left-handed? And tell me why. Number 5 is left-handed because he is holding the tray with his right hand, and you typically hold the tray with your non-dominant hand because when you go to serve, you should be using your dominant hand to put the food on the table. So the answer is 5. Reminder to 8th graders, if you would like to sign up for fall sports, you have to complete the form by Friday, May 15th. The form is in the daily lesson plans that Miss Sim sends out every morning. There is a link on there to sign up. Now it's time for the pledge. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. Have a great day, everyone.